What is up, everybody? Super excited to have you here. I think it's very important that I talk about this, just because so many credit repair specialists are going all over the place like headless chickens, right? I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it on Facebook, I've seen it on YouTube, and it's fine. I understand it. The way it works in the multi-level marketing world and also the credit repair space is a little unclear, and that's totally fine. I didn't know it at first. That's the way I started my agency, but now I understand it, and so I want to share the formula with you. Okay, in this quick video, it's going to be a 7 step, but I'm planning on doing another one which I go in more detail, and it has 11 steps on it. So let's get started with this one. It's the fundamentals of a successful credit repair business. These 7 steps will take your business to the next level. And I'm not just saying it. I've seen it with my own eyes. I experimented with all my clients and even my agency, um, and seen it how it works for other people and online and offline. Okay. This I learned that back when I was in the multi-level marketing world. I was part of it myself, and I saw how it actually worked out. But there are some other things that we can get in details later. Uh, but these are the fundamentals. Okay, the first step that you gotta take is prospecting. It's as simple as saying hi to someone in a cafe at a Starbucks. If you travel a lot, if you're still going out in person and doing presentations in person, take advantage of this. If not, which is my preferred way, which is online on Instagram and Facebook, you can create content, publish on a daily basis like this, what I'm doing right now, providing value, and also sending DMs to people, interacting, engaging with comments, DMs, looking at stories and commenting. Comments is the best thing that you can do if you actually comment from, with genuine comments, not just, oh my God, fire. Please don't do that. People notice when it's genuine, okay? So prospecting is as simple as saying hi, or commenting on a post. Hey, great post. I got a lot of value from it. I think you can improve on something like this. Or hey, what about a question? Questions are always great because it means that you're interested, right? After you've done the prospecting, gone from saying hi, you gotta take the next step. It's transition to the set appointment. Wow, great. You ask a question, or you say great on a comment or something, or send them a cold email, or cold text marketing, as we do in our agency. Um, if they say, if they're open for it, if there's an engagement and an interaction, then you can invite them to set an appointment. Hey, would you like to learn about this new challenge? Hey, would you like to learn about how to fix your credit? Hey, I help people fix their credit. Would you like to sit down sometime and see if I can help you out? It's as simple as as saying yes or no. It's fine. If people say no to you, it's totally fine. Don't take it personal. In fact, go for the no. Right? There's a great book called "Go for No." Go for no. Back when I was in high school and college, I applied to so many scholarships and things, and many of them, told me yes, but a lot, a lot more told me no. And every time I got a no, I just felt closer to getting a yes. That was the mindset that I had at that point, and it was great. It helped me a lot because I will go back to writing those applications and all those proposals and all that good stuff, and I will mention how many times, I will say, hey, I applied last week to this many grants and stuff, and I got rejected to no to 3 or 4 of them. So it will be amazing if I got the yes on this one, and just putting it down for the next person, for the next application, that worked out in my favor many times because they saw the resilience. And in fact, it was resilience, it was persistence. And so if you're able to bring that onto your business, you are changing the game seriously for yourself and your clients, really. The next thing after setting the appointment, going for the no, and then getting the yeses, you go into the presentation. Keep it stupid simple. Once you join our agency, we give you a template on how to do the perfect presentation or the perfect webinar, which is from ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson and some of the best marketers in the world. We'll give you that template so you can fill it in with your information and make it your own. Okay, we've used it many times and it works wonders. It works wonders just because it touches. It's a story. Okay, story sell. Okay, with that being said, you keep it simple, and after that, go into a financial needs analysis, which is something that I got from the company I worked with, or you can call it a financial review to find out if that person is the ideal for your business. Are they? It doesn't have to be financial only, right? It can be, are they the ideal client for me? Do they have the budget? Do they have the authority? Do they have the need? Do they have the time to work with me, or to be a client of mine? You gotta ask yourself those questions. You gotta qualify them at that point, right? You can do the presentation and that's fine, or you can change it up, right? You can do the financial needs the financial analysis first, and then the presentation, so you don't waste any time, and that's totally fine. Or you can do it the way that I put it here. But it's just gonna, if you do the presentation first, it can, change the reaction that they have, right? It can be so many things. Okay. The next thing that you gotta go over is the objections. Make sure you do a Rolodex of objections. I've done it over the time. I've spoken to so many people. I don't have the money. It's expensive. I don't have the time. I gotta speak to my wife, daughter, team member, etc. All this stuff, which are totally fine. There's only 3 reasons why people come up with objections. They either don't trust you, they don't trust your results, or they don't have the money. Okay? It's as simple. They don't trust you as an individual or your company, which can be something like, not trusting Donald Trump, but you know that you can trust the results that he can provide if he was an advisor in your company, right? That's out of the question. But you don't trust him or her. It can be, I just gave you an example, right? And the next thing is that they just simply don't have the money. And that's totally fine. That happens. Not having the money is just a result of bad financial decisions at that time. So it's a matter of timing. Okay? You can come back to them, and if they're open, they will come back to you. In fact, if you're good enough, if you actually show who you are, right? After you've overcome all the objections, you go into the recruiting. If you're into the closing, right? Into the recruitment or closing. If you're in the MLM space, you recruit them or you close them. It depends on where you want to go first. You can close them as a client, or you can make them an agent or something like that. But most of the time, you will see that they become a client first. They want to see results for themselves, and then they bring their friends and family. It's a law of association. It brings the barrier. It helps your business that way. After you've done that, you go into the fast start, right? How do you onboard those clients? It has to be the smoothest way possible. In my business, we stumbled upon some things at first, and it's a matter of fine tuning those, right? Your ideal client, if your ideal client is a good person and you targeted the right person, they will understand. After that, you can make the changes and it will be fine. So after you've given them the fast start, you will be able to deliver the results. And then we can go on more details at another video. With that being said, these 7 steps will change the way you do your business. Okay? Most businesses don't have a system like this one. And so if you're interested in how we can help you at Serious Ventures Marketing Agency, then reach out, book a call with me or my team, and we will help you out create a solid plan, find out your ideal client, and get into more of the concepts and tact and strategies, principles that I talk about in these videos. Thank you so much for everything. Go to seriousventures.com/book-a-time and speak with me or my team, and let's get your credit repair business to the next level. Thank you so much. Bye.